People move through space with different cadences, creating different patterns with different intentions. What dictates these flows? This project examines how surface gives rise to movement and how a surface is informed and reinformed by movement and use. A control curve informs the slab, which informs slopes and ramps of various inclines, giving rise to various types of stairs. The stair then informs human flows and activities. The original control curve is not static. It evolves as it yields and adapts to the program. Changes in inclines give rise to program. Change in incline indicates a change in state or change in program. Slope and program resist each other and inform each other. The section is a consequence of slope and program. This project examines how tectonic surfaces push back on the human body and influence behavior and movement through space. This gym does not contain standard exercise machines. Instead, it contains a series of surfaces conducive to various activities at various levels of exertion, applying different resistances on the human body. Sloped surfaces interfere with human movement through space. The project is located on an infill site in downtown Los Angeles, and the proposed building reacts to those on either side of it. The section, through slope and stair, communicates program and activity within the building. Through variation in slope, the section reveals levels of resistance and exertion. The transverse sections, unlike the long sections, reveal primarily linear circulation across the slab from one program to another. Slab slopes and curvatures are tuned to the different cadences of vehicular and pedestrian circulation through space. The elevation responds to internal conditions by indexing thresholds, concealing some programs while exposing others. The elevation operates at two scales: the horizontal, fine grain, highly calibrated, acting locally, and the vertical, coarse grain, acting globally. While the transverse and long sections translate program and activity differently, the elevations remain contiguous around the building, tracking state and behavior changes within. Cables diverge, converge, and bunch in response to internal programmatic conditions in order to create transparency, translucency, and opacity. Exploring further the potential of a cable screen system, the elevation alters cable dimensions in response to programmatic shifts. The figure ground indicates sections of the facade which are opaque, transparent, and translucent. Thresholds are defined by a change from horizontal surface to inclined surface, by a change in degree of incline, and by a change in stair type. Thresholds indicate a change in state or a change in behavior and are defined by surface tectonics. Shadows in plan from the elevation screen produce effects that correspond to programmatic states. These shadows both react to interior program and influence it. Architecture is often faced with the task of bringing together two often diametrically opposed entities. Combining a gym with a parking garage seemed one such pairing. This project examines the subliminal interferences caused by sloping surfaces in the production of behavior suited for both programmatic conditions. These interferences manifest as resistance on the human body.